44.
Alright, what'd I give you?
34.
Bruh. Hold up. Look, I'm trying to get you. I'm about to give you this 20. Trying to get you, man.
Trying to take it out of there, but
I'm trying to get you.
Bruh.
I guess I should bring my palm tree in. The wind destroyed my owl almost. It's still working though. Look at his head. It's fall. What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Today I gotta go pick up a couple things. Wanted to take you guys with me. Should be a fairly short video. Gotta pick up some things that I want off high bid. I say off high bid, but usually when I say I win things off high bid, it's always from the same place. It's a local auction. Being that COVID-19 is going on, they're doing everything online. If this was not going on, I would be there on Friday at the auction and getting my things. But I kind of like it online. I can get on there, look at everything, bid on it, and just go pick it up. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go pick up some stuff from there. Got a couple things that I got from my bread and butter store yesterday that I'll probably show you guys. Just a couple things, and probably talk to you guys a bit. I'm trying to restructure my whole eBay business as far as not really changing things, just kind of scale up, you know. Yes, not buy as much, buy higher price items, stuff like that. So I might get into that. But let's go pick up this stuff. It's over at the auction, and go to the office and show you guys what I got. All right, let me see if I can find the invoice email. How much is it? Dunkin' Let's open it up. You know what I'm gonna find out? Let me see. I spent $44. I don't know if y'all can see it. $44.89. All right. $40.45.
Bruh. Oh, I know I would too.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey,
how y'all doing?
All right, how about you, sir?
Hey, same old thing.
Are you ever going to be able to retire, or are you going to work till you're dead?
I'm trying to retire, man.
So you're going to work till dead like we are, huh? Okay.
Is that what y'all plan on doing?
Well, no, I ain't planning on working till dead, but that's what's going to happen.
I just thinking about if I was retired, I'd just sit down and I wouldn't live 6 months.
That's what I was going to say. If you stop doing it, then it's a wrap.
Yeah. So I'm going to work till I'm dead.
So you got to move some type of way.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, so my father retired, and he retired at 50 years old. And but he's a runner, so he runs every day.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah. So
and like my dad going
44.89, dude.
44.89.
High blood pressure.
That's 45. Just keep the change.
All right.
Death in both ears.
Yeah.
Blind.
Well, he started running after. Yes.
44.
Ah, what'd I give you?
34.
Bruh. Look, I'm trying to get you. I'm about to give you this 20. Trying to get you, man.
Trying to take it out of there, but
I'm trying to get you. That's a big old TV. 70-inch TV. That's big.
Universal Charger 3U.
Is that it?
Yep. This is it.
I appreciate it. Okay. So most of the time, I try to order from my guy. He's a local auction, and I make sure I try to order from him every week just to kind of show him some love. It's a lot of things going on, and his business is not doing as good as it usually does by having this regular in-person auctions, because his audience is a little older usually, so a lot of them are not internet savvy. So me and him had a conversation one day, kind of deep conversation, and the guy who owns the auction place, and he told me about all that. But so I try to make it my duty to order from him every Tuesday. Nah, but anyway, let's get to the office and see what we got. All right, I'm gonna try to go through this quick. First, I want to go over what I got from my Gimme 5 store. Got a Pete the Cat books, which I think I'm gonna take these home. for my kids. Patriots toboggan. I always do good with them. Sold like 2 last week. They go for about $19.99. I got a Chuck It fetch games. Throwing all these in this e-bin because I already listed everything. Look, I'm getting better. Every time I get stuff, I list it now. Usually. I got this hero clip. And I put comps on the screen because I forget what I listed these for. So, I got this hero clip. Some Speedos underwear. I believe those went for pretty good. This Hello Kitty bread. I mistakenly got this. This is only like a $10 item. I remember listing this, but it's just a piece of foam bread. I don't know what the infatuation. And these sell like every day, so this will probably sell today or tomorrow, I believe, probably. I got this fungal nail treatment kit, nice and sealed. Some blackout Quincy energy savings curtains. I need these for my room because I work night shift and during the day and the light be shining through the window, but I'll get something soon. Need money first. I got some gloves. These are 3M type deal gloves. Pretty good gloves. They go for about $25 a piece. I remember those. And this is another thing I gotta take home. Gotta take these home. I think I didn't put everything in here. Something's missing. A couple pair of gloves are missing, but oh well. So yeah, that's what I got from Gimme 5. I was only in there for like 15 minutes. I get stuff like this because it's an easy list, like I was saying earlier. Let me flip so y'all can see me. There we go. It's an easy list, and you know, if it's all new, I can scan it, package it up real fast, and it's done. So yeah, see, look, I scanned that. Matter of fact, I took that and did all that on my lunch break at work yesterday. Brought it here to my office, threw it in the bin, and it's done.
Yes, sir.
So, stuff like that, I'm willing to, you know, spend every now and then, even though I'm trying to scale up. Let's get into this other stuff real quick. So this is the stuff I just picked up. Y'all just seen me pick up over at the high bid joint place, whatever you call it. I just got a bunch of chargers, and I forget on all these. This is one lot, just all these chargers, including this one over here. I was just kind of testing them to see if they worked. What I spend? Something cheap, like $12 on this whole lot. And I'll put it on the screen if that's not it. But just crafting, Panasonic, another Craftsman, a Skill, a Black & Decker Firestorm, and this charger with the battery as well. These are like all $25 pieces. Including that one, that's about 15 plus shipping piece. And like I said, I spent 12. I just went on and got the whole lot. I might sell them all together, who knows, or I might piece them out. Easy list, wipe them down a little bit. Great, bye, out there. There we go. I don't know why I wouldn't focus, but yeah, they just need to be wiped down a little bit, and after that everything should be straight.
Yes,
that
sir.
one over there as well. I also got these signs over there. I mainly got these for my basement, but these signs, there's older ones and there's newer ones. It's kind of hard to price these. I've seen some that look just like this. They go for like $30 and $40. And then of course the old antique ones go for like $200, $300, $400, $500. But these are not it. These are actually sealed. So I would think these would be the cheaper ones. But I got these. These are kind of a personal buy. This right here, I got this at the thrift store. I actually got a little video. A Sharp AE A407 cash register. It's brand new. It's an open box, but it's brand new. Actually got some paper in there as well. Never been out the back. It's all there. I got this for $25, as you can see in that video I just posted, and I should be able to get at least $250 for this, if not more. So great buy. I just happened. My wife went to. Let me flip it around. My wife went to what was it? A muffin shop right next to it, and there's a thrift store there. And I just went right in there, and it was laying on the floor. And I said, "Hey, there you go." I went on and popped it, and that's all I bought out of there. Like I said, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go to stores, or you know, estate sales, places like that, and look for stuff that's high as far as on a profit margin. I don't mind spending $200 to sell something for $400. Basically, that's what I'm saying. So instead of selling 10 $10 items, why not sell one $100 item? See what I'm saying? So eventually, I'm gonna try to get there. I can do that, and I can kind of take my time on doing that because I still have a full-time job. I can see how that would kind of hurt people who does this for a living, and that's it. So I'm gonna take advantage while I'm still working full-time of trying to scale my business up that way. So yeah, that's all I got. I do have a personal buy. I gotta go home and show you guys that, and so let's get home and do that. The one we ain't changed in 5 years, I think it was 2 last time we changed it.
I keep saying that, Daddy.
My wife's gonna love me when she gets home.
No, she's not.